Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some problem posted on Twitter. And also, credits to Master Ed Southall for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. What fraction of the equilateral triangle is shaded pink? Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. First thing to do is to let this side be equal to x. Since they are all equal, therefore, this segment is also x and this segment is also x. Next, take note that this is 60 degrees because it is an equilateral triangle. So we have 30, 60, 90 right triangle. If this is 60 and this is 90 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees. Therefore, the side opposite of 60-degree angle is simply the length of the side opposite to 30 degrees multiplied by the square root of 3. Now we can find the area of this triangle shaded in pink. So using the formula 1/2 times base times height, it follows that our base is simply x square root of 3 and the height of this triangle must be 2x or x plus x. Now substitute all the given values. We have the area of this shaded region must be equal to 1/2 multiplied by the base x squared root of 3 multiplied by the height 2x. Simplify and we get the area of this shaded region is simply x squared multiplied by the square root of 3. Now keep in mind that the area shaded in pink is equal to x squared multiplied by the square root of 3. Now at this point, we can now find the area of the entire equilateral triangle, wherein the length of each side must be the sum of x, x, and x, or simply 3x. Now we can find the area of this equilateral triangle through the use of the formula s squared multiplied by the square root of 3 all over 4, wherein this s is the length of the side of this equilateral triangle. It follows that the value of s is 3x. Now substitute the value of x. We have 3x raised to 2 multiplied by the square root of 3 all over 4. Simplify and we get the area of this equilateral triangle be equal to 9x squared multiplied by the square root of 3 all over 4. Going back to our question is what fraction of the equilateral triangle is shaded pink? So we have the ratio of the areas of this pink region over the area of the entire equilateral triangle. Since we know the area of this pink region and the entire equilateral triangle, so we will have x squared square root of 3, this is the area of the pink region, all over the area of the entire equilateral triangle, which is 9x squared multiplied by the square root of 3 over 4. Therefore, what fraction of this equilateral triangle is shaded pink? And our answer is 4 over 9. And we're done. This is our first solution. So let's move on to our second solution. So let's start. At this point, without the loss of generality, let this length be equal to 2. It follows that this length is also 2 and this length is also 2. Now take note that the area of two triangles having the same height is equal to the ratio of their bases. Therefore, the ratio of these two triangles must be equal to 2 is to 4. Now, we know that this is 60 degrees because it is an equilateral triangle and it is 30 degrees. Now, since it is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the length of the hypotenuse of this triangle is twice the measure of the shorter leg. And we know the measure of the shorter leg, which is 2. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is simply 2 times 2 or simply 4. Next, the length of the side of this equilateral triangle must be equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 or simply 6. Now we have 4. It follows that the other segment is 2. So we have 4 plus 2 will give us 6. Now, using again the same concept that the ratio of the areas of two triangles having the same height is equal to the ratio of their bases. Now, since we know the area of this big triangle, which is 2 plus 4 or simply 6, it follows that the area of this triangle in white must be equal to 3 or simply half of 6. Therefore, the ratio of this shaded region to the whole equilateral triangle must be equal to 4 over 4 plus 2 plus 3 or simply 4 over 9. And we're done.